In today's dynamic business environment, aligning organizational design with business strategy is essential for long-term success. A well-structured organization ensures that resources, workflows, and decision-making processes support the company's strategic goals. Without this alignment, businesses risk inefficiencies, miscommunication, and missed opportunities. The connection between business strategy and organizational design. Business strategy defines an organization's long-term vision, competitive positioning, and key objectives. Organizational design, on the other hand, provides the structure, roles, and processes that enable the execution of this strategy. When properly linked, the organization functions efficiently, allowing teams to work towards shared goals with clarity and purpose. Key factors in aligning organizational design with strategy. 1. Company goals and vision. The organizational structure should reflect the company's strategic priorities, whether it's market expansion, innovation, cost leadership, or customer centricity. 2. Decision-making processes. A centralized structure may work best for companies requiring strict control, while a decentralized model supports agility and local decision-making. 3. Talent and capabilities. The design should ensure that employees are positioned in roles that maximize their strengths, with clear pathways for collaboration and growth. 4. Operational efficiency. Businesses should choose structures that eliminate redundancy and streamline workflows for improved productivity. Different strategies in matching organizational designs. 1. Cost leadership strategy. Companies focused on efficiency and cost reduction benefit from hierarchical or functional structures where standardized processes and centralized decision-making create consistency. 2. Differentiation strategy. Businesses prioritizing innovation, brand uniqueness, and customer experience often adopt more flexible structures like matrix or team-based models. 3. Market expansion strategy. Organizations entering new markets may require divisional structures to support localization while maintaining corporate oversight. 4. Agility and innovation strategy. Startups and tech firms frequently use network structures, allowing for rapid scaling and external collaborations. Challenges in linking strategy to structure. 1. Resistance to change. Employees and leadership may resist structural changes that disrupt existing workflows and hierarchies. 2. Balancing flexibility and control. Organizations must ensure that structural changes enhance agility without compromising governance and accountability. 3. Sustaining alignment over time. As markets evolve, companies must continuously reassess and adjust their structures to remain competitive. Final thoughts. A well-designed organization should serve as a strategic enabler, not a limitation. By aligning structure with strategy, businesses create an adaptable, high-performing environment that drives growth, efficiency, and innovation. In the next lesson, we will explore real-world examples of companies that have successfully linked their business strategy to organizational design and the lessons learned from their approach.